Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is David Okon. I want to show you how to use the mix font features in Clip Studio Paint and how to reset your workspace, your settings, your tools to the default settings. Let's jump right in. The first thing I want to show you right here is this. This is the font which I just created from the mixture of this Comical Slick and Comical Hand. There are two things I combined there. The words was just the main font. Then let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm trying to talk about. I really like the punctuation mark of this Comical Slick, this one, but the one for the Comical Hand, I don't like it. For instance, this comma punctuation mark looking almost like full stop. It's almost the same thing. Look, I mean, very close. So it's very difficult to differentiate them. So I don't really like. So I just want to combine this font, this punctuation mark of this font here with this. I'll show you how to do that. So look at the end result after I combine both of them. This is the main font, and the punctuation mark of this was used here instead of this. So I'll show you how to do that quickly. Let's jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do right here is this. I'm going to close this. Let me pick this one here. Let me duplicate it. No, let me do that. The transform. Now let's zoom in. Now what I want to do here is this. I want to create a new font with this Comical Hand. Now let's go to this. Go to the text tool. Then click on the settings. Let's change the font to the font which we want to use, Comical Hand. What the hell is wrong with this? Comical Hand. Now I want to create a new font. New. I'll change title the font Comical New. Now this will be a default font. This font here, that is the main write-up. But since I want to change, I don't really like the punctuation mark that is here. I want to use the punctuation mark of Comical Slick. So we just come to this place. These are the options to choose from. Come here and change it. Comical Slick. You can also change this too, but it doesn't affect that much. But this is the main thing you have to change there. You can even change the amount of difference, but I think I'm okay with this. And you click OK. Let me turn off this. OK. So right now we have a new font. You can also make changes to it later on. Click on change. We'll have a new font. Now let me change this font. Let me go back to this one here and select the fonts. Now if I also find the new font which we just made, automatically goes down to the last option. This is here, Comical New. So you see that. Now so you can use this, you can explore it, do whatever you want to do with it. It's a very nice option for you to create your own custom font. Now I want to show you how to reset your layout and your functions to the default function. Let me close this. Don't save. I'm going to open Clip Studio. This Clip Studio Paints. This Clip Studio. I'm going to open that now. Now for us to be able to do the resetting, we have to close this. Now I'm using the Windows version. So if you want to reset it, before you click on this, make sure you put your hand in Shift and Alt. Shift and Alt. Press it down, then while you're pressing it down, then you click on Paint. Then you release your hands. And it starts to boot this Clip Studio. Now it's going to pop out some option. Let's open this. Yeah, this is it. Reset to original default. Now if I just want to reset it all, that is everything, both the tools, my brush shape, brush size, gradient, color mixing palettes to default and everything, I will select everything. But if I want to just do maybe just probably my brush, maybe something got missing, or brush shape, whatever it is, I can just click just one option and press OK. But I want to reset everything to the default. But before doing this, make sure you're backed up your workspace so you can always go back to it later on. So I'll select everything here and press OK. You want to reset the selected item to the original default, you click OK again. So let's hold on and allow it to boot. Let me turn this off. So right now is in the default state. If you look at the brushes, some of my brushes that were installed, they're no longer there again. These are the default brushes here. So that's it. So thank you for staying up to this time. If you find the video very helpful to you, please, I would like you to subscribe, like and comment and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.